Hello, my name is Timothy, and now we want to talk about the SAR of cephalexin. So, what is cephalexin? Cephalexin is a first generation cephalosporin which is administered orally. Now, we shall discuss the general SAR, the structural regulations for all cephalosporins, but let's discuss the SAR for cephalexin. So, this cephalexin, we number cephalexin from number 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this number 3. So, the methyl position number 3, the methyl here is not good for activity because number 1, the methyl makes this molecule to have low penicillin binding protein affinity. So this means that when this molecule is binding to the molecular target, then it binds weakly, and because it binds weakly, then this compound is weak in antibacterial activity. Number 2, the methyl is a poor living group. What does that mean? That it does not easily detach from the molecule. And if it doesn't easily detach from the molecule, then it's not going to bind very well to the molecular targets. The methyl actually is a bad group, is very bad for activity. But then this group is what makes this molecule easily administered orally. In fact, you realize that all cephalosporin, which is first generation oral, they have a methyl at position number 3. How can we compensate for the loss in activity? To compensate for the loss in activity, then at R, we usually refer this position as R. So this is R in the 7-acyl amino acid chain. The whole of this is R. Now, at this position, we introduce an amino group. The amino group is hydrophilic. And because it's hydrophilic, then it compensates for the loss in activity that has been brought about by the methyl substituent. Something worth noting is that number 1, at position number 7, we mostly modify position number 7 here. At this hydrogen, we modify this position to improve stability towards beta-lactamases. But then at this position, we modify this position to improve the spectrum of activity for the cephalosporins. So we classify cephalosporins from first generation, second, third, fourth, and fifth because of the spectrum of activity against either gram-negative or gram-positive bacteria. And also gram-negative and gram-positive bacteria, we have those that are effective against a wide range of strains compared to others. And that's why we discuss them as from first generation to fifth generation. All fourth and fifth generation are only parenteral, and we shall discuss why in our next series of videos. Until then, peace.